Hello guys, so welcome back to the Code Military. How are you all? In this video, we'll learn how to deploy React app on Netlify. So many of you wouldn't have heard about the name Netlify. So let me tell you, Netlify is a hosting platform where you can host variety of app like React, Angular, and other apps also. So some of its services are free for basic user and like for basic React project. So in this video, I will demonstrate you how to deploy a basic React app on Netlify. Okay, guys. So this video will be very easy for you, and it's very important if you want to deploy it on Netlify in a very easy steps. I will explain you step by step process how you can deploy React app on Netlify. So without wasting any time, let's move to the tutorial. Okay, guys. So this is my VS Code screen, and I have already created a basic a React app. Let me just show you by running the app. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me just run it. Okay, just clear the screen. Okay, if you can see, this is a basic create project about a news website. Okay, if you want to make this project, you can check out my playlist in my channel. Okay, so let me just write here the command that is npm start. Let me just once show you what is the project. Okay, and it will run on browser. Just wait for a minute. Now you can see this app is running well. Okay, so just first step is to create your React app. Okay, whatever React app you want to create, you must ensure that it does not have a very complex structure, or it does not have a database, right? So you have to create a front-end type of project in React, and that you can deploy on Netlify, right? So this is your React project. Okay, so the second step, guys, is to create a GitHub account, right? So I have already created a GitHub account. So you just need to create a GitHub account and log into it, and you need to make a separate repository, right? Let's just make a separate repository. So our second step is to make our GitHub account, right? So let's just create a new repository here. Click on new and give a name here. Let's say React React News app, right? So this is not available. Let's say it to be one React News app one, right? And let it be public. Okay, so just create a repository here. Okay, now our second step is done. So our third step, guys, is to go back to VS Code and just whatever we have created the project, we will just push it to the repository. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just come to the terminal of the VS Code, and here we'll just push all that stuff into our repository. Let me just clear the screen, right? So first thing that we need to do, that we'll write git init. Okay, is the basic git command for initializing the git repo. Okay, so git init, and then we'll add git remote add origin, right? And here what we will do, we will just paste this link. Okay, or you can directly paste this whole link, right? Just click copy and just paste, right? And then your git remote is added. Okay, now you need to do what you need to include all this. Okay, so you will just write git add dot. Okay, this will add all the required files excepting the node modules, because this is not uploaded, right? And then it will use like get git commit. Will just commit it by appending a message. Let's say first release. Let's say first release. Okay, all these are done. And then what we'll do, we'll just git push origin. Okay, guys, origin master. We'll write this command, and it will all the files like src public, all this will be pushed to the repository. Just wait for a minute, it will pushed, right? So you can see this is pushed to master branch here, and go to browser and just refresh the page of the repository. Now you can see here the code, right? So our all the files that are src in public, all the required files package.json, all the files are pushed here, right? And this is our React News app one, right? So what the this was our third step, right? So our fourth step is to go on the Netlify and just log in. So write Netlify in your browser, right? So Netlify, and the first link, that is Netlify, just go on pricing, right? You can directly go on pricing, and there you can see the plans, different plans here, the different subscription plan. So we'll using the free plan. Okay, so start for free, click on start for free here, and then now you get a sign up. So let me just sign up. Just follow me. You can sign up by this. Okay, so choose whatever you are, so personal, and then I am a freelancer or a hobby developer, you can say. And let it be, you can skip, these are required fields. So if you want that. Okay, so setup and continue. Let me just name your project or your name. Okay, so let me just give you name here. Okay, guys, so setup and continue. Okay, so this will ask from import an existing project or start from a template. You can create your whole project on the Netlify, or else you can import from Git. So we'll click on import from Git. Okay, guys, so here we will choose GitHub, because we have pushed all our code on GitHub, right? So just click on GitHub, and it will ask for your password, GitHub password, right, for authentication. You just type it. Okay, so no need. Okay, so here we'll just search for the React News app. So React, our repository name. So our repository name would be news React News app one, right? So let's just search for it, and here the moment you search, right? So here you can see React News app 1. So select this repository because we have to build this repository, right? So you can see here branch to deploy master. Okay, so because all our code in let's say React News app 1, all our code in the master branch, right? So we just select the branch in which all the code is there, and then you need to do a little modification to the build command. Okay, so we'll write c I equal space. You must take care that a space between the equal to and npm, right? And just click on show advanced, and then just click on new variable. We have to set a new variable, that is ci, and we have to set the value as false, right? Just let me show false value. Okay, and then what we do need to do. Okay, so nothing yet. So just click on deploy site, right? And your app will be deployed, right? You have to do nothing in it now. Okay, just wait for a minute because it will take a few minutes to deploy, right? You can see here site deploy is in progress. Okay, so you can see here building, and the moment you click here, it will show you deploy log, right? You don't need to do anything now, just deploy it. Okay, so this deployment process I've explained in your 4 easy steps. The step 1 is to create your app. The step 2 is to push your React app to GitHub. The third step, to create account on Netlify. You can choose for free account of your, if you want to take subscription, then you can take subscription also. Okay, and the fourth step is to link your Netfree account with your GitHub repo, right? So just what you need. Okay, so our deployment is successful. As you can see the success message here in the log. If you go down, you can see that section completed, cleanup, right? Build script success. Okay, so our link is, just go back to your site overview, and now you can see this is the link of our Netlify app, right? Let me just show you by clicking on this. Just click on this, and here you can see that our React app is opening. Okay, so now you can see that our React website is visible. That is React app is visible. Okay, so this is a news website that I created in the project, and you can check out my playlist in the channel. You can learn how to create a beautiful this kind of news website project. Okay, guys. So you can see that the link is working. Okay, so we go back to our teams.netlify, and we go to here sites. Okay, so our site was this, right? So what we can do, that we can go to domain settings and choose a suitable domain name for our website, right? So just go to option and site, edit site name. Now you can choose a available site name, right? Every site name is not available, it is booked by someone else, right? So we can choose a domain name, let's say React News app. Let me just check it out whether it is available or not. Let's just save it. So guys, this site name is already taken, so we'll choose something different, 01. Let's just save. Okay. So now you can see that our domain name is modified, and React News app 01. You can try out for different domain names, what else may be available, you can get it, right? So this domain name, and the moment we just click on it, right, it will load. And okay, so you just saw that this new domain name is also working. So thank you guys for watching this video till end. I hope you liked it, and all your confusion regarding the deployment on Netlify is cleared. Thank you. If you have any question, please write it down in comment section. I will answer you each of the comments personally. Okay, so thank you guys. Please support me by subscribing this channel, the Code Military, and please share to it your friends who are looking for cool projects and deployments. Thank you all.